Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ng B Jewelry na endorsement ni Catherine na may promo sila. Be Styled by Kat. 3 winners will get the chance to be styled by B Music Catherine Bernardo and take home per jewelry to keep. At may meet pa si Catherine. Yun, no? Ito yung 2025 promo mechanics yung nasa screen. Yung maswerte yung namimit si Catherine gaya na itong nasa video. Yan, no? Namit ni Catherine yung nanalo yung nakarang event. Tapos si Catherine pa mismo nag-style mga jewelry sa lucky winner. Yan, ito naman po TCL Catherine.
Cheers all of you, my TCL family.
And ito yung behind the scene for TCL ni Catherine Bernardo. Ang ganda ni Catherine, no? Sabi dito, something exciting and this coming your way this 2025 with TCL with Catherine Bernardo. Go behind the scene of our latest shoot and get glimpse of what in store, new release, fresh and assets, and an even stronger partnership between TCL Philippines and Catherine. Stay tuned for big reveal, you know. Nabangan ba? Ganap ni Catherine for TCL. Nakakapirma lang ni Catherine yung renewal contract dyan for TCL. Kaka-anniversary ng TCL 25 years anniversary in the Philippines. Ang ganda ni Catherine. Bago sa kanya naka pretty and red outfit na gown. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.